As of now, dito load balance cannot be directly transferred to Gcash through official channels like the Gcash app or Dito app. Unlike Globe or Smart, Dito does not offer a built-in load-to-cash conversion feature. However, there are a few workaround methods that users have tried, though they come with limitations and risks. One common method is using third-party apps like Load to Cash, which claim to convert prepaid load into Gcash funds. These apps typically charge high fees up to 50% of your load value and may not always be reliable. Another approach is peer-to-peer selling, where you offer your Dito load to someone in exchange for Gcash. For example, you send 100 peso worth of load and they send you 70 to 80 pesos via Gcash. This is usually done through Facebook groups or online communities, but it's informal and carries a risk of scams. Some YouTube tutorials also suggest using platforms like ShareTreats or Click Wallet to convert load into store credits, then redeem those credits for Gcash at 7-Eleven. However, this method is outdated. 7-Eleven no longer supports click to Gcash cash-ins, making it unreliable. So bottom line is there's no official or secure way to convert Dito load to Gcash at the moment.